Every telecom provider has unique technical and operational requirements. So, how does the solution engineering team collaborate with clients to ensure IDI's platform aligns with their specific needs?
So, at IDI, building relationships and gaining an in depth understanding of our customers' business is essential in providing solutions. And that is to not only meet their needs, but really continue to scale with them as their business continues to grow. And, IDI prides ourselves in taking our customers in and treating them like family. And so, from a solution engineering team, that means we conduct pretty detailed discovery sessions that are basically conversations with our customers that allow us to hear their business needs and their desired outcomes and the roles and resources involved in the specific project or initiatives that they have. And they vary all across the board. So it's never boring in the solution engineering world. Sometimes our customers will come to us with a solution, and that's great. We will still go through the discovery process with them, though. We're really trying to take the IDI speak out of this part of our process, and really focusing again on their needs and outcomes. Throughout the discussions, the IDI solution engineering team really is listening and determining if there's any items that the customers are not calling out that may come into play. And we do that because, they may be focused on something very specific, but because of what they're focusing on, they may lose sight of another area that's impacted. And again, having the relationship and the understanding of our customers' business really comes into play here because we're able to kind of take a step and look at it from a different angle. And by doing that, we work together to come up with a complete solution that does, again, meet their needs and their desired outcome. So, basically, we're just having a conversation like you and I are having right now, where you're asking specific questions and, listening to my responses. We do the same thing, picking up again what the customer's needs and objectives are so that we can put a holistic solution together for them.
Yeah, so that deep level of collaboration really only leads to better outcomes for our customers.
Exactly.
Customization and integration are critical for telecom providers looking to streamline operations. How does IDI tailor its platform to meet the unique challenges of each client?
So the discovery sessions that the solution engineering conducts focuses on the customer's needs and their desired outcomes. Once those conversations take place, the solution engineering team shifts focus. And we're really evaluating what we heard and how customers' needs can be met with the IDI platform. This can be done through configuration, customizations, and integrations. And in some cases, that's obvious. The customer comes to us with a solution where integration is definitely needed because they're bringing the third party to the table. And in other cases, it's not that obvious. And the solution may include a combination of configuration and development. For some software platforms, that's a showstopper based on resources or architecture, not for IDI. The architecture of the IDI solution makes customizations and integrations seamless. We have a dedicated team of developers that the solution engineering team works with when development's needed. And in some situations, the solution includes integrations that already exist through our valued partners. And the solution engineering team really looks at all of that to determine what the best solution is. So overall, the flexibility of an architecture of the IDI solution allows the solution engineering team to provide robust solutions that meet our customers' needs now and in the future that can be delivered in a timely manner.
Yeah, so that key is really the combination of those thorough discovery sessions coupled with IDI's architecture.
Yep.
Telecom providers face a range of technical challenges as they scale and evolve. What are some of the most common hurdles you see, and how does your team help customers overcome them?
So, one of the most technical challenges that our customers face is potentially the limited resources and skills for integrations. And here's an area where IDI as a company adds a tremendous value to our customers. And again, it's why we choose to build a lasting relationship with our customers and really get to know their business. The solution engineering team specifically guides our customers through the discovery sessions, and because of our expertise and experience, we can take some of the technical items and break them down into more everyday speak and discussion points that our customers appreciate. And we also work with them to determine who else maybe should be involved in the discussions if they're not aware. So what other resources from their vendors or inside their organizations need to play a key part in the discovery sessions. That helps us gain a better understanding of their initiatives and some of the more technical requirements that may be needed to be put into our solution or evaluated as part of our solution.
Sounds like we really want our customers to see us as a partner rather than just any other vendor.
Absolutely.
Cynthia, some customer requests require creative problem solving to deliver the right solution. Can you talk to me about a particularly complex challenge and how your team worked with the customer to achieve success?
Each request we receive is different, even when they appear to be similar. When we do the due diligence of the discovery, that's where we find the unique requirements for that specific customer. And because of the uniqueness, it adds to the complexity. We recently had a customer where they had a request that wasn't overly technical in nature, but it had a lot of areas of the IDI platform that had to be taken into consideration. This included customer development, it included working with a third party vendor. And in addition to all of those facets, a customer had a pretty quick turnaround time to review a solution as well as to get it implemented. The solution team takes that into consideration as well. So we think creatively on how we can work with the customer that has a quick turnaround to put something as a short term solution and a long term solution, making sure that as they move from short term to long term, it's seamless in nature. Their users and their customers aren't impacted by that. So, having a robust and flexible solution allows for this type of solutioning. And the experience that we have at IDI supports our team, giving us the confidence that as we roll it out to our customers, it's meeting their intended needs. As the example I spoke of earlier with the quick turnaround time, that went off without a hitch. We've met our customers' desired outcomes. And again, it's always the goal of the solution engineering team to do that.
Yeah, IDI's flexibility really allows our customers to know that we can provide them with solid solutions. Cynthia, the telecom industry is constantly evolving. How do we ensure IDI solutions remain scalable and adaptable to future technology shifts?
This is where the experience of being in business for 29 years and having a platform that's built for telecom and communication really comes into play. Starting with our strategy and approach from our product roadmap, adding in the agility and the depth of our development teams, again, our experience really shows. So when customers come to us with requests, the hard part is making sure we have a keen understanding of the needs and the objectives. And we strive to do that through our detailed discovery sessions. Once that happens, our platform really lends itself to the scalability and the adaptability to technology changes. IDI has a full suite of APIs. The APIs that we can commercialize and make available to our customers are the same ones that drive the user interface that we provide to our customers. When we recommend an integration, it leverages our APIs. We can do it with confidence. We know that there are hundreds of thousands of tests running to ensure the performance of our APIs. We know that they're backwards compatible, which means that we are never going to develop something that would cause our customers to change any integration they have with our APIs. And in the case where we want to make an end of life to one of our APIs, we give our customers a 3-year notice. So they're not scrambling to make changes that are costly and have to do rework. We take that into consideration every time we're putting out a change. While the decision to end of life a particular web service is rare, we have thought it through and make sure that we are looking forward and making it seamless for our customers. So again, we're providing a predictable solution and one that will scale and continue to evolve throughout the future.
Yeah, so that scalability and adaptability is really built into the foundation of IDI.
Absolutely.